Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this video tutorial, we'll explain how to write IMEI to a MediaTek device using Cheetah Tool Pro. This comes in handy for those who have not IMEI or you want to write your IMEI after maybe restoring a different NVRAM. And for those looking to change IMEI, this is entirely at your own risk. Okay. All right. So first, you have to set up your Cheetah Tool Pro, and then I'll link to a guide on how to do that. Then in Cheetah Tool Pro, you go to the MediaTek tab over here. I need to select your brand and model. You might go with the generic MediaTek, or if your device is on the list here, you could select your brand and model. But I could choose my brand at least. Next, you head over to the Meta tab. You have various tabs here. And then you click on IMEI repair. Then you scroll down. Now you tick whichever IMEI you intend to write. I'll be writing to both IMEI 1 and 2. So I'll check both boxes and then paste the IMEIs I intend to write into each box. Next, click on Repair IMEI. If you get an error like this, all you have to do is go back and click Repair again. Now you choose your connection mode depending on the device. For this device, preloader works just fine. So I check preloader and click on OK. Now I'll connect my device. I chose preloader, so I'll power off, no buttons held. Then I connect to PC via USB cable. And I have a detection. This is going to put the device into meta mode. You can see meta mode somewhere at the bottom of the screen. Now I got initializing device failed, general error. If you get this, just leave your device in meta mode and click repair again. And that is done. So you can now disconnect and power up the device. So that's how to write IMEI to your MediaTek device using Cheetah Tool Pro.